welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making kids friendly vegetable cheese sandwich. You can easily make it in the morning. You can prepare the stuff previous night and in the morning you can just make the sandwiches and you are done. So let's make it. Slice of bread. Today I am taking white bread. You can use multigrain or wheat bread. And we need bunch of vegetables. I'm using today carrot, beans, onion, garlic, some colored pepper. This is parsley leaves, and this is lemon, bacon, cheese, butter. I'm using salted butter today. This is oil. You can use any type of oil, butter, ghee or anything you want. I'm using, this is grapeseed oil, and this is ketchup, pepper and salt. So let's make it. I chopped all the vegetables. Now it's now the onion is transparent. This time you can add veggies one by one. First I'll add carrots. It's a very healthy recipe. For kids, few kids are really picky. They don't like to eat vegetables like my little one. So mommy usually we need to be a little bit creative. All the vegetables are almost done. This time I'll add lemon juice. About a teaspoon of lemon juice I'm adding. And I'll add this chopped parsley. Now this veggie stuffing is ready to stuff. Now it's time to make the sandwiches. So I'll take a slice of bread, put one layer of butter, I'll add butter in both sides. here. Now I'll add cheese. You can use any kind of cheese. I'm using today, it's a shredded cheese. And another slice of bread, I'll put butter again. And inside, this butter will be upside, and this side I'll be putting this ketchup. And like this, press it and put it here. I'll repeat the same thing.
Ba ba da ba da ba da ba ba.